Hello, welcome to the Wawazen Waterwall School. Today I will show you why waterwalls can improve your health. Actually, I will show you 14 mostly unknown reasons why waterwalls improve health. My name is Markus Rettig. I'm the founder of the Wawazen Waterwall School, and maybe you know it, I'm a physiotherapist, which means I have a pretty close connection to the health topics, and since 2001 I sold approximately 1,000 fountains and I did more than 190 custom-made waterwalls. And 2014 I founded Wawazen the Waterwall School. Now we have around 3,000 subscribers worldwide. So let's begin with the reason number one why waterwalls can improve your health. They are reducing flu viruses. Yes, it's true. You can Google that. Just Google flu virus dry air and you will find out that flu viruses, they thrive in dry air. So if you increase the humidity in your room, then it will reduce the flu viruses. So very important topic today, as we have this situation in the world. So very big benefit of waterwalls, reducing flu viruses. The next one is removing fine dust from the air. I mean really fine dust which comes out of the cars, printers, pardon, and general industrial air pollution. So they are removing fine dust from the air, which then again will improve your health, because your lungs are not polluted as much. Then they're also cleaning the air from normal dust which is created in your house, and that this again will ease your body system instead of making it harder for your body to fight against what comes inside the lungs. Number 4, cleaning the air from allergic polls. So if you have allergies, this waterwalls also will help, because they're like a dirt magnet. They're removing also the polls from the air, and then you can breathe better. Number 5, removing smoke from the air. So if you live together with a smoker, or if you have to spend time in areas where people smoke, the waterwall will remove, I would say, like really 99% of the smoke if the smokers stop smoking. So if they're ongoingly smoking, then again it will remove a lot from the smoke from the air, which then again will increase your health, because you don't get so much dirty smoke in your lungs. Next one is removing parfumes and bad smells from the air. So we have had it in a drugstore where they sell parfumes. The employees, they had headaches because they had to work amongst all those clouds of parfum smells, and after installing the waterwall, all the smells were removed by the waterwall. So this is number 1. Number 2 is there was a restaurant in a big shopping mall, and customers complained that the whole shopping mall is stinking because of the food smell coming from the restaurant, and waterwalls also remove food smell. So, and you can imagine, it's not only perfumes and bad smell, also other chemicals in the air can be removed by waterwalls, which then again will increase your health. Number 7, humidifying the air. This is pretty obvious. If you have dry air, you will find your eyes getting red, and you will find yourself having problems breathing, and your nose will start to pain, your skin is going to get dry. So dry air can affect your health in multiple ways, and that's why reason number 7 why waterwalls can improve your health is by humidifying the air. By the way, they also can dehumidify the air. So if you live in a very hot region, maybe you know it, if you have a high humidity in the air, even if the temperature is same, it feels hotter. It's this wet hotness which makes you feel really bad, and if you cool the water, then the humidity humidity will condensate at the coldest point in the room, which then in that case would be the water wall. And this is how you can remove air, remove water and humidity from the air if your water is cooled. By the way, we have here in Germany a laboratory or association who have a patent on that, how to dehumidify the air with cooled water films using water walls. So this is also how you can improve your health, by removing too much humidity from the air if you cool it. Then water walls are moving the air. So this is also part in improving your health if you have the air moving instead of standing. So there is an ongoing exchange in the air. Fresh air and used air will be mixed up better if you have a moving in the air, and this is what water walls do. They are moving the air, and this will also improve your well-being. Then relaxation. You know it when you go to a river or when you watch the ocean. When you watch water flowing, it makes you relax, and relaxation brings a lot of beneficials to your health. I know it because many doctors are buying water walls from me because they use it in the waiting rooms, because people simply relax more when they are exposed to a water wall. It is improving the blood circulation if you are relaxed. It also reduces fear. That's also, by the way, a reason why a doctor, she has installed a water feature near to the blood sample station. So when people had to go to when they go there to give blood, in order to hit the veins with the needle, the patient has to be relaxed, and that's why she has put a water feature there to make the patients more relaxed in order to be able to hit the veins after they relax. Because if people are not relaxed, then muscles are tensioned and you cannot find and hit the veins as good when you take blood samples. So it's reducing fear, and I believe that if you reduce your fear, it will improve your health. Then the Chinese say that if you where water is flowing, life energy is thriving too. So it's pretty common known in the Feng Shui area that if you have water moving, it increases life energy, and I assume that if you can increase your life energy, you will increase your health too. Then, believe it or not, some casinos use water features in order to remove electrostatic from the air. All those gambling machines, they're producing pretty heavy electrostatics, so you know what I'm talking about. If you touch somebody, then it makes like zzz. And this is also removed by water walls. This is the reason why they came to me and they asked me to plan and build a big water wall from them in order to remove electrostatics from the air. And last but not least, it's simply beautiful. It's art, and you know, if it's set up nicely and if it's running good and clean and reliable and secure, then a water wall is a piece of art, and it's also beauty. And I believe that if you have the possibility to enjoy art and beauty, this will also increase your mood. And if you have a better mood, then it is less possible or less yes, it's pretty better for you. You will not get sick as if you would have a bad mood. So I hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe to my channel or visit wawazen.net. We have a free course there. And I'm also looking for business partners. So if you want to start a water wall business in your area, you're very welcome. I hope to meet you soon. As you can see, water walls are improving the health. Maybe in a couple of years, the governments will make it as a law that all the offices need a water wall in order to improve the people's health. So be prepared for the big water wall boom. and start your waterwall business today. Hope to see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.